What's up, guys? Econ John here. Welcome back to our second part in our three-part series on anarcho-primitivism. In this video, we're going to talk about economic sustainability and consumer waste. Let's go. So, a critique anarcho-primitivists make on capitalism is that capitalists don't make production decisions with the environment in mind, and that they view it as a closed system which is self-sustaining and circular when, in fact, it's not. They feel that there is no consideration for how necessary the environment is as a source of resources, a repository for waste, and for the conditions of life. Graphically, we can visualize the two modes of thinking below, where on our left-hand side, we have this worldview of the economy as self-sustaining, and the only two things we have to pay attention to are our households and our producers and the interaction between them. While on our right-hand side, we go and we have the economy sitting on the biosphere, right? Where they take in natural resources and they produce waste, right? This is what they feel, or I guess this is really a more accurate picture of what's happening. In the ecologically considering versions of our economy, we see that we are constrained by our environment and we must make decisions based on that. The model describes the finiteness which must be considered, and it captures issues such as the problem of an increasing population on a finite Earth, meaning that this red box can only grow so much. And our second point is that we see that there's a direct association of the economy with waste production and environmental destruction. Though recycling steadies the resource consumption and waste levels, it has been argued that is not enough to be happening to prevent this, meaning that we cannot be self-sustaining under the system. It's not hard to see that the possible extensions of this model would be include a critique of consumerism and how mass food production is part of the problem with according to this worldview. This touches on the point of domestication, right, which is a key concept in anarcho-primitivism, which will be discussed in the next video.